Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Annu Adi Cute World. In this video, we can go through the amazing health benefits of strawberry. Strawberry or Fragaria ananassa is originated in Europe in the 18th century. Strawberries are bright, red, juicy and sweet. They are an excellent source of vitamin C and manganese and also contains decent amount of folate or vitamin B9 and potassium. Strawberries are very rich in antioxidants and plant compounds which may have benefits of heart health and blood sugar control. Usually consumed raw and fresh, these berries can also be used in variety of jams, jellies and desserts. Now we can go through the top 5 health benefits of strawberries. Strawberries may support heart health. According to Heart and Strong Foundation, heart disease is one of the leading causes of death among Canadian women. Luckily, the benefits of strawberries include powerful heart health boosters. Ellagic acid and flavonoids or phytochemical can provide an antioxidant effect that can benefit heart health in various ways. Strawberries may help to regulate blood sugar. Consuming strawberries appears to slow down our digestion of glucose and moderates our use of insulin, especially when they are eaten with a high-carb meal. Strawberries may be helpful for those with type 2 diabetes. Strawberries contain protective plant compounds called polyphenols. They appear to regulate blood sugar and manage blood pressure. Strawberries have anti-cancer properties. Studies suggest that strawberries may prevent certain cancers. The protective effect is thought to be a combination of polyphenols including ellagic acid and ellaginets. Strawberries may help in weight management. Strawberries have a low glycemic index and as such help moderate blood sugar release. Studies suggest that a diet with plenty of low glycemic index food may be beneficial for weight management and for reducing the incidence of obesity-related diseases. Strawberries are also low in calories. The antioxidant properties in strawberries may also help to prevent cataracts, the clouding over of the eyelids which can lead to blindness in old age. Our eyes require vitamin C to protect them from exposure to free radicals from the sun's harsh ultraviolet rays, which can damage the protein in the lens. Vitamin C also plays an important role in strengthening the eye's cornea and retina. Vitamin C is one of the antioxidants that can help in cancer prevention, since a healthy immune system is the body's best defense. A phytochemical called ellagic acid found in strawberries has been shown to yield anti-cancer properties like suppressing cancer cell growth. Fiber is very necessary for healthy digestion, and strawberries naturally contains about 2 grams per serving. Fiber can also aid in fighting type 2 diabetes. It helps to slow the absorption of sugar in the blood. Strawberries helps to promote prenatal health. Folate is a B vitamin recommended for women who are pregnant or trying to conceive, and strawberries are a good source with 21 mg per serving. Folate is necessary in the early stages of pregnancy to help in development of baby's brain, skull and spinal cord. And the folic acid in strawberries may help to prevent certain birth defects. Hope you got some basic information about the health benefits of strawberries from my video. If you feel this video was informative, please like my video, comment your valuable opinions and share it with your friends and family. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel Annu Adi Cute World for more informational and interesting videos. Thank you all. Have a great day.